This is the easiest and laziest way that can help you save money every single day. If you're looking to save money, you're looking to put more money in your pocket, this video is for you because every single American out there is spending the most money where? At the grocery store. And no, I'm not gonna tell you to start clipping coupons, get all these subscription services, get a budget app. No, you're gonna need none of that. Everything I'm going to teach you is 100% free. You will have to create a ChatGPT account if you do not have one already. But remember, we're going to use the free version. That's the loveliest thing about what we're about to do. But before I jump into this video, make sure that you smash that like and subscribe button so this video gets out to more people so everyone can stay informed and save more money. Now understand, this will work for anyone. It doesn't matter what your budget is. We're literally gonna make the machine, ChatGPT, do all the work for us. We are going to make ChatGPT write us an exact grocery list, give us the exact breakdown of all the nutrients per dish, give us the exact ingredients, give us the exact weight of every single item that we need to purchase. You can break it down to the brands. You can say, you know what, ChatGPT, I want more fiber. ChatGPT, I want more protein. And you can do it for 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, 180 days, 1 day. Whatever you want to do, it's going to be specific to your specific budget. And like I said, you can tell it exactly what your budget is. So if I'm going to shop at Harris Teeter, Walmart, Lidl, whatever grocery store it may be, include that in your prompt. Now I'm going to give it a very tight budget to see exactly what it's going to kick out to me, and I'm choosing an actually not so cheap grocery store. Harris Teeter in North Carolina is probably the second most expensive. No, okay, let's take that back. Publix is the #1 expensive store. Then next I would say is Lowe's Food, and then third is Harris Teeter. But I'm a fan of Harris Teeter because it has way more ingredients and a better selection, and it has a lot of fresh food options, fresh cheeses, all types of different things like that. So now open up your ChatGPT, and now I'm gonna put it up on the screen. I'm gonna give you the exact prompt, and then you can change it, alter it however you see fit. My meal prep is going to be for 30 days. Now, ChatGPT, I want you to write me a grocery list for 2 meals a day for 30 days, and it must be protein heavy, very light on carbs, and super light on sugars with a budget of 150 USD at my local Harris Teeter. Also include the serving sizes and create a chart with the breakdown of every dish's nutrients. Also include the full recipe of every dish and how to cook each dish. Also include the name brands to purchase and the weight of each item to help me locate the correct items to stay within budget. And per my wife's request, make sure none of the dishes have peas either. Include healthy snack options that are low in sugar, 2 healthy snack options for every day. Snacks must not include any carbs. Also include the cost of each item to give me transparency within my budget. Now literally screenshot what I just put up on the screen, which is the exact prompt, and then you can alter it as you see fit. You can add snacks, you can add brands, you can add whatever you want to this prompt, and then just save it in your notes on your phone, and then you add it into ChatGPT. Now I'm gonna show you in real time exactly what it kicks out for me, because I wanna give you 100% transparency to show you exactly how easy this truly is, because the grocery store is the #1 place that Americans spend the most money at. Now remember, you can change this however you see fit to meet your budget. You need to lower it, you need to raise it, you wanna add specific things, you wanna add specific snacks, specific items in specific weights, whatever it may be, whatever your dietary needs are, you can let it hit every single one of those so you can hit that meal prep properly and create the proper grocery list. Now let's check it out. Now we're gonna get it going right here in ChatGPT. We've copied and pasted it because I already wrote it down. I gave you the actual prompt, and now ChatGPT is gonna do its job searching the web. Here it goes. Off it goes. This is really crazy. I want you to see this in real time so you can see how crazy it is. And it's hitting all the things too. Like, so if you don't like something, you can modify it. If you wanna add something, modify it. But look at this, it's breaking it down to the cost, and it's gonna give you enough room to cover what? Taxes also, okay? So it's gonna, if it doesn't actually align with your budget, it's gonna tell you that, like it just did for us right here. It's like, hey, you gotta adjust a couple of things here. Maybe you should do this with your budget to make you fall within that budget. So it's gonna help you hit that targeted amount, but also I love how it breaks down the nutrients of every single actual dish. But next up, we wanna tell it to teach us how to cook the dish. Make it even simpler so you don't have to like rack your brain on what you're gonna do. We wanna simplify these things in our life and help us save more money. Now, what we're gonna do is we're going to tell it to give us the exact recipe. Now, please give me the exact recipe on how to cook these suggested dishes. I need step-by-step instructions, including how to prep food and cook it and store it for easy meal prepping. Now, let's see what it gives us. There it goes. Super simple, man. Look at this. So if you say you can't cook, you don't know how to prep, it's gonna break it down to you right here. Every single dish. Look at this. This is the easiest way to help you save money and also stay healthy, because that should be all of our goals in 2025. And I'll be honest with you guys, I've struggled with my weight for a long time, and I feel like this is gonna make everything so much easier. But look at this. It's just gonna keep spitting it out. Every single step for every single dish to make everything easy. I mean, why have we been struggling so much? Now, if you're struggling to stay within budget, even with this, drop it in the comments. Just drop the word struggle. I want to know how many people are struggling when they go to the grocery store, because if you do this, print this out and print out your grocery list, go in there with those items in Target, you should have zero issues. And you should literally just go specifically for those items and then leave the grocery store. And of course, at the end, let me know if you'd like further details on specific steps or adjustments. You can adjust anything in here to however you see fit. You want to add more fiber, you want to add more protein, you don't want to use specific vegetables. Whatever it may be, ChatGPT can make it happen for you. Last part's the most important. Now, if you're someone that's struggling to stay within budget, I've got something for you also. Now, there's a free version and then there's a paid version. The choice is gonna be yours, but I'm gonna educate you on the easiest way to stay within budget is to control your finances. Now, there is something called Qube money. As you see, that's me right there, okay? I'm gonna block it off so you can see that's my Qube. That's me, Mike Mesa. If it could zoom out and actually get it right there. I don't know if it'll actually get it. But anyways, that's me right there. That's my Qube money. Now, what makes this super powerful, now they have budgeting tools in there if you need it, also for free. That's why I love this. And you're gonna get 2 months of free Qube money access. So you can try it out for 2 months. If it's not for you, it's not for you. That's what I love about it. So what this means, this is a very powerful debit card. This is a debit card. Now what Qube does is it will create a Qube for every different type of budget. Now you'll be allotted, I think it's like 2 or 3 Qubes for free. And then if you want a physical card, you can order a physical card, or they'll just give you a digital one for your wallet. But you're gonna put your money into your Qube account. You can have your account actually pull it from your bank account. Let's say we're gonna put $100 into this. Okay, we're gonna put $100 into our Qube money account. Now we're gonna make a Qube for gas. We're gonna make a Qube for groceries. We're gonna make a Qube for Netflix, for Hulu. We're gonna make a Qube for whatever other items that you're spending in your life. My light bill, my water bill, my internet. Every single Qube is going to have its own Qube. So if you put $100 in your grocery Qube, when you go to the grocery store, you'll open up the app and then you'll click on grocery. And then guess what? You can only spend what's in your Qube. Yeah, I know that's pretty crazy, right? So if you go over it, guess what? You gotta move money over to even get it into it. This is going to help you get yourself on a better financial track moving into the new year, because overspending is the biggest thing. Buying things you don't need is why we're in the position that we're in with our credit, or we just don't have enough money. This can help you tighten up that budget. And remember, there's a free version and then there's a paid version. But if you want to do the paid version, link is going to be in the description. But remember, you get 2 months for free to test it out, see if you like it, and guess what? Come back and tell me what you think about it, because I want to know what you think about it, because this is how I save money. It is the biggest lifesaver that I've ever found. My wife is blown away by it. She's like, I like it and I don't like it, because if I have to change something, I gotta get it approved by you. I'm like, hey, I gotta spend $50 more, and you're like, on what? That's right. So if you're a couple out there and you want to hold each other accountable, this takes it to the next level. Now, I'm not saying like, oh, you gotta control the other person. No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying like, yo, this is the next level of your financial future to keep you on budget and stop that overspending no matter where you go at. If you don't have an actual Qube for it to spend that money on it, you can't spend the money on it. It's just that simple. It tracks all your money, all your spending, keep your budgets, all of that stuff in one place. Link is gonna be in the description for Qube money if you need it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We covered another big one on how to save you money at the grocery store by using ChatGPT for 100% free. And if you need Qube money to help you stay on that budget, link is gonna be in the description. Now make sure that you watch this next video, because it is about a credit union that you may want to learn more about. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.